Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can customize and rearrange home screen in the Android 14. So if you want to open the home screen settings, just hold the finger on the empty place on your home screen, and you can see now we have a pop-up. And from this place we can go to the wallpaper and style to change the wallpaper and the system color accents of your system. So just choose something from the color palettes or just tap on the basic color to select one of your favorite color, like a light green, and now you can see you have a green settings, icons, etc. You can also use the themed icon, like here. You can see there you have a preview, and change the upgrade to change the amount of the application in the rows and in the columns. Okay, the next one, widgets. If you want to add any, hold the finger like before and choose widgets. Now just expand the desired application. And if you see the widget for you, just hold the finger on it and choose the place on the home screen for that. You can also change the size by sliding the edges. And if you want to remove any widget, just hold the finger on it and slide up to the remove button. And that's it. Okay, now we can go to the settings, and there we have a few options like notification dots to turn on the notification alerts on the icons. And we can also select to add the new icons to home screen automatically. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.